Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in MAPE 8 which is all about evaluating the learning. This will be the second quarter topic, week 1 and 2, day 9 and 10, and this lesson is under the Matatag curriculum. For the first question, what country is Kabuki Theater traditionally associated with? The correct answer is letter B. For question number 2, which of the following is a characteristics feature of Kabuki Theater? The correct answer is letter C. For question number 3, which ancient Chinese art form involves manipulating puppets made of leather or paper behind a backlit screen? The correct answer is letter B. For question number 4, what material are traditional Chinese shadow puppets typically made of? The correct answer is letter B. For question number 5, Taikon dance drama is known for its elaborate costumes and masks used to portray characters from which tradition? The correct answer is letter A. For question number 6, true or false? In Taikon dance drama, performers often wear masks with exaggerated facial features to represent different emotions. The correct answer is true. For question number 7, which of the following is not a characteristic of Gomi? The correct answer is letter C. For question number 8, in Komi, what is the technique called where the performer produces a fundamental pitch along with one or more harmonics? The correct answer is letter A. For question number 9, which of these art forms is primarily focused on vocal performance? The correct answer is letter D. For question number 10, which of the following pairs correctly matches a performance art with its country of origin? The correct answer is letter